Good morning, students. Exercise 1.2 is strike out and write in 1.3. All the students listen. 1.3 must write 1.2 next class only. That new syllabus only one book only for you. 8th standard only one max book only. Term 1, term 2, term 3 and all not. So that new syllabus wise now you write in exercise 1.3. 1.2 next class I will take. Okay. The last week third sum and fourth sum completed. Now fifth sum. Check the commutative property for addition and multiplication of the rational numbers minus 10 by 11 and minus 8 by 33. Read the question. The commutative property for addition and multiplication. So this question about two questions. First question, the commutative property for addition. Next question, the commutative property for multiplication want to find. Step 1, commutative property for addition. What is the formula? A plus B is equal to B plus A. See the tabular column, commutative property is there. Side addition, what is the formula? Read there. A plus B is equal to B plus A. Left hand equal to left side, left hand side, right hand side. Here given in two rational numbers. First one you select A. Next value is B value. A equal to minus 10 by 11. B equal to minus 8 by 33. LHS A plus B. You start the bracket. Why the 2 also minus symbol must use in the bracket. A value is minus 10 by 11. Next symbol is plus. Next number B value equal to minus 8 by 33. So here write in minus 8 by 33. Nearby symbol put in small bracket. Next big close the bracket. This LHS work first you finish, then you start in RHS work. Minus 10. Now see here, two numbers also different number. Take the LCM. LCM AC method is cross multiplication. So then before 11th table to come, the 33 are not check. 1 11 is 11. 2 11s are 22. 3 11s are 33. So here multiple by 3. Numerator and denominator you get in 33 here. So minus 10 by 10 into 3 divided by 11 into 3. Why here writing that 3? Now understand. Next plus into minus, minus 8 by 33. Minus 10 3s are 30, 11 3s are 33, minus 8 by 33. Now denominator, two number also same number. So write in one time. First numerator is minus 30, second number is minus 8. Two number like sign, put in same sign and add the number. 30 plus 8 is 38. Should not subtract the number. Say like sign, you add the number and just put in the same like sign. Next RHS B plus A. B value equal to minus 8 by 33. Start in bracket. Next symbol is plus. A value is minus 10 by 11. Minus 10 by 11. Minus 8 by 33. Plus into minus, minus 10 by 11. Two numbers also different number. The same condition also want to follow here. 11 3 is 11th table to come in 33. So 1 11 is 11, 2 11s are 22, 3 11s are 33. So here 11 where is there? That numerator and denominator you multiply by 3. Minus 8 by 33 minus 10 into 3, 11 into 3. Minus 8 by 33 minus 10 3s are 30, 11 3s are 33. Same. Write in one time. Minus 8 minus 30 minus 38 divided by 38 divided by 33. LHS is equal to RHS. It is true. LHS is equal to RHS, it is true. Step 2, commutative property for multiplication. Commutative property for multiplication. First fraction. Question from you write A equal to minus 10 by 11, B equal to minus 8 by 33. What is the formula of multiplication? The commutative property must want to come in the two rational numbers. Associative property for three numbers. A, B, C, three numbers need. So A into B is equal to B into A. This is LHS, this is RHS. Commutative property for multiplication formula is A into B is equal to B into A. Commutative property for multiplication A into B is equal to B into A. LHS left side, right side. What is the value of A value? Minus 10 by 11 into minus 8 by 33. Minus 8 by 33. So minus 10 into minus 8 directly multiple. 11 into 33. 10 3 8s are 80. Minus into minus plus. 11 into 33 equal to 363. Same. RHS minus 8 by 33 into 10 minus 10 by 11. Directly multiple. 10 8s are 80. 33 into 11 equal to 363. Two numbers also same answer. LHS is equal to RHS. It is true. Second, next, sixth question. Verify the distributive property A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C for the rational numbers A equal to minus 1 by 2, B equal to 2 by 3, C equal to minus 5 by 6. What is the property? Distributive property. Distributive property for symbol is, what symbol is there in between? Into and plus. So addition formula only want to use. Distributive property for addition formula. So they are directly given in the addition formula from question. A into B plus C is equal to A into B is equal to A into C. Question from they are given in the formula. So this is LHS, RHS. LHS value A into B plus C. What is the value of A value? Minus 1 by 2. B value is 2 by 3. C value is minus 5 by 6. These three values you want to substitute here. A value. A straightly minus 1 by 2. Next symbol is into. Start the bracket. B value is 2 by 3. B straightly you write in 2 by 3. Next symbol is a plus. Next C value equal to what is the value? Minus 5 by 6. So nearby symbol you put in again small bracket. Next you put in the big bracket. Equal to straight equal to minus 1 by 2 straight minus 1 by 2 into symbol straightly into start the bracket 2 by 3 plus into minus minus 5 by 6. Now see here a bracket work first you do. 3 and 6 is different. So third table to come 6. 3 2s are 6. So here multiple by 2, the numerator from also multiple by 3. 2. 2 into 2, 3 into 2 minus 5 by 6. 2 2s are 4. 3 2s are 6. 5 by 6. Now two numbers also same number. Write in one time. First number is 4. Second number is minus 5. 1 by 2 straight 1 by 2 into. Now only you remove the bracket. 4 minus 5 is not possible. So 5 minus 4 is what is the answer? 1. So 5 is a greater number. Put in minus symbol there. Minus into minus now. Minus into minus plus. Minus into minus plus 1 1 is 1. 2 6 are 12. This is LHS value. LHS value is 1 by 12. Now RHS value. RHS formula A into B plus A into C. A value is minus 1 by 2, B value is 2 by 3, C value is minus 5 by 6. You substitute here. A into B minus 1 by 2 into B value is 2 by 3. Plus symbol. A straightly minus 1 by 2 into C value is minus 5 by 6. Now bracket work first want to do. This one for no need to take the LCM. Why here in between symbol is into symbol. You should not take in now LCM. Here also multiple first. 1 2 is 2. Plus here minus symbol minus 2 3s are 6. Next symbol is plus. Minus into minus plus 1 5 is 5 2 6 are 12. Now these two number also minus 2 by 6. Here already what symbol? Plus symbol. Plus into plus plus only. Plus into plus plus 5 by 12. Two numbers different numbers 6 table to come. 12, 6 2s are 12. Here multiple by 2. The numerator multiple by 2. 2 2s are 4. Minus 4 by 12 plus 5 by 12. Two numbers also now same number. Minus 4 first number. Second number is 5. 5 minus 4 is what is the answer? 1. Greater number symbol is plus. So 1 by 12. RHS value. Now LHS value is 1 by 12. RHS value also 1 by 12. It is true. This is first step. First step meaning is a distributive property for addition is over. Okay, next. Seventh question. Seventh question. Verify the associative property for addition and multiplication for the rational numbers. They are given in associative. Associative meaning is must want to come in the three rational numbers. Must want to come in the three rational numbers. That question from they are given in three rational numbers. First one is minus 7 by 9. Second number is 5 by 6. Third number is minus 4 by 3. So associative property for three rational numbers. What is the formula? Associative property for addition A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Where one put the bracket? First two numbers A plus B. Here B plus C. B plus C. Right? Continuously associative property for addition plus symbol. That's all. Substitute that value. Minus 7 by A straightly you put in minus 7 by 9. Next symbol is plus. 5 by 6 plus C value equal to minus 4 by 3 minus symbol for you put in the bracket. Equal to straight equal to A value is minus 7 by 9 plus start the big bracket. B value equal to 5 by 6 plus minus 4 by 3 close the bracket. Now two numbers also. What is the number? A different number. Different. Must you take in the LCM. LCM easy method is cross multiplication. 9 6 are 54. 9 6 are first 54. Next you multiply by 7 into 6. 7 6 are 42. Here minus symbol, put in minus symbol. 9 5s are 45. Write in here 45. Next plus into minus minus 4 by 3. 42 45. 2 also unlike sign you must do in the subtraction. 45 minus 42 equal to 3 divided by 54. So 3 by 54 minus 4 by 3. Now this 3 and 54 is possible in third table. You strike out the number. 1 3 is 3. Next 18 3s are 54. 18 3s are 54. 1 by 18 minus 4 by 3. Now these two number you compare and different. Third table to come in 18. How many 3s are 18? 6 3s are 18. So 1 by 18. Here you multiple in 6 into 6. Here you multiple in 6 into 6. 6 4s are 24. 3 6 are 18. So 1 minus 6 4s are 24. Right. 1 minus 24 divided by 18. So 24 minus 1 is 23. Greater number is 1. You put in the minus symbol. Minus 23 by 18. Here RHS for same only. Here you see the two numbers also different number. Okay, do in the cross multiplication. 6 3s are first you write in 18. 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. Next 6 4s are 24 plus into minus minus. 6 4s are 24 plus into minus minus. 7 minus 7 by 9 plus 24 minus 15 equal to 24 minus 15 equal to 9. Greater number is 24. 24 nearby symbol is minus minus 9 by 18. Minus 7 by 9 plus into minus minus 1 9 is 9. 2 9s are 18. No, answer is 1 by 2. Now two numbers also different. Take the LCM. LCM easy method is cross multiplication. 9 2s are 18. First work. Next 7 2s are 14. 7 2s are 14 minus symbol. 1 9 is 9. So minus 14 minus 9 equal to two number also like sign. Put in first the same sign and add the number. 14 plus 9 equal to 23 by 18. Now minus 23 by 18 is equal to minus 23 by 8. LHS is equal to RHS. It is true. Step 2, associative property. So associative property for multiplication. Multiplication is you put in into symbol. Before step 1 for addition for plus writing. Now here writing in the multiplication. A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. This is the associative property for multiplication. Refer all the one in the one formula sheet. First I give one, that one see and write. Correct or not, check there. A value, B value, C value. All the one want to substitute here. A value equal to minus 7 by 9 into B value equal to 5 by 6 into C value is minus 4 by 3 is equal to A value, B value, C value. Where have the bracket, you put in the bracket. Easy. Multiplication is very easy. Why? They directly do in the multiplication. Addition, subtraction, same or not want to ask. Different means take the LCM. Otherwise do in the cross multiplication want to do. So multiplication is very easy. Directly multiple. First bracket work. 7 5s are 35 minus 9 6 are 54 into minus 4 by 3 is equal to minus 7 by 9 into 5 4s are 20, 6 3s are 18. Again symbol is what symbol? Into symbol only. So again you multiple. 35 into 4 equal to 140. 35 into 4 equal to 140 divided by 54 into 3 equal to 162. Here you multiple minus into minus plus 7 into 20 equal to 140. 9 into 18 is equal to 162. Now these two number also possible in which table? Divided by second table. Divided by second table. 2 7s are 14, 0, 8 2s are 16, 1 1 is 1. Same also here, 70 by 81 is equal to 70 by 81. LHS is equal to RHS. It is true. Now 8th question. Verify the identity property for addition and multiplication. Identity property for addition, the same identity property for multiplication. So this sum also two questions. First question is addition, next question is multiplication. Which one about identity property for addition? First step, identity property for addition. What is the formula? See and write in the chart. A plus 0 is equal to 0 plus A equal to A. This is the formula. Which formula? Property for addition. Very easy this sums. Listen. A value equal to first sum is 15 by 19. You want to A value equal to 15 by 19. A straightly you write in 15 by 19. 15 by 19. Next symbol is plus. 0 straight 0 is equal to 0 straight 0. Plus symbol straight plus symbol. A value equal to 15 by 19 is equal to what is the value? A. So 15 by 19. Why A? Any number add 0 you get it the same answer. 2 plus 0 for example. 2 plus 0 2. 0 plus 2 2. So any number add 0 you get it the same answer only. This is example. Okay. Next, the next question is minus 18 by 25. So A equal to minus 18 by 25. Want to substitute this formula. A straightly you substitute the value equal to minus 18 by 25. Next plus symbol plus 0 straight 0 equal to straight equal 0 straight 0 plus A value equal to minus 18 by 25 is equal to minus 18 by 25. Answer is over. Any number. So what you learn this about? Any number add by 0 you get it the same answer. Next step 2. What is the one? Identity property for multiplication. What is the identity property for multiplication formula? A into 1 is equal to 1 into A equal to A. This is the identity property for multiplication. What is the value of A value? See the question 15 by 19. Next question A value equal to minus 8 by 18 by 25. Any number multiple by 1 equal to same answer. For example 2 into 1 2. 5 into 1 5. 100 into 1 100. Same here 15 by 19 into 1 is equal to 1 into 15 by 19 equal to 115 by 19 equal to 15 by 19. This is a value. Next, A value equal to minus 18 by 25 here, right? And the same value here substitute. Minus 18 by 25 into 1 is equal to 1 into minus 18 by 25 equal to minus 18 by 25. Understand the sum or not? Very easy. Next, 9th question. Verify the additive and multiplicative inverse property for rational numbers. So, see the formula paper. The additive inverse is there, multiplicative inverse is there not. So this sum for only one work only have. Additive inverse only find enough. Multiplicative inverse does not exist there given in the formula. See there. Now first step, additive inverse. What is the additive inverse formula? A plus of minus A is equal to minus A plus A equal to 0. A plus A means minus A plus A minus A. Minus A means plus A. So given in the value equal to A value, right? A value equal to minus 17 by 7 by 17. What is the minus A? So minus means here minus, here already minus symbol change into the plus symbol. Minus change into plus, plus change into the minus. Additive inverse. What is that one? Minus value, plus value. Minus value change into the plus value change into the minus value. This is the additive inverse formula. So minus 7 by 17 is a value, minus a value equal to opposite symbol 7 by 17, that's all. So a for you want to substitute that value equal to minus 7 by 17, minus a value equal to 7 by 17 is equal to minus a value equal to 7 by 17 plus a value equal to minus 17 by 17. 7 minus 7 equal to what is the answer? 0. 0 by 17 equal to 0 only answer. Okay, very very easy. Plus symbol, minus symbol, minus symbol, plus symbol. 2 minus 2 equal to what is the answer? 0. 5 minus 5 equal to 0. So same only 5 instead of here minus 17 by 7. Opposite symbol is plus 7 by 17. That's all. Next, a value equal to 17 by 27. Next, this is one question, this is one question. That one for that 4 steps, four steps need there. A equal to 7 by 27 minus a equal to minus 17 by 27. Here see, very carefully see, a value equal to any symbol is there or no. So a equal to plus, minus a equal to minus, that's all. Same also a equal to minus, here minus a equal to plus, opposite sign. Formula, you write it the formula and substitute that value. A value equal to 17 by 27 plus of minus a value equal to minus 17 by 27 is equal to minus 17 by 27. A value equal to plus 17 by 27. 17 by 27 minus, plus into minus, minus 17 by 27 plus into minus, minus 17 by 27 equal to minus 17 by 27 plus 17 by 27. Get the answer, final answer is 0. Step 2, multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse is that does not exist. That over the 1.3 all the sums. Hereafter they are having the choose the best answer 1 marks under. Now choose the best answer. Objective type question. This one, watch the video. Okay, then only I give the PDF from question. You write it the answer. Closure property is not true for division of rational numbers between because of the number. Listen, closure property is not true for division of rational numbers because of the number is what is the number. Division from, see that any number divided by 0, 5 is divided by 0, 6 divided by 0, any number is possible. 5 divided by 0 is not consist. So infinity only answer. Now is not true for division for what is the answer? 0 is the correct answer. Is not true for which one is correct answer? 0 is the correct answer. Next question, 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4 minus 5 by 6 not equal to 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4 minus 5 by 6. Illustrates the subtraction does not satisfy the dash property for rational numbers. Which property? Commutative property, closure property, distributive property, associative property. Which property only find enough? Okay, now how many rational numbers is there? 1, 2, 3 rational numbers. The same number only repeatedly they are writing. Okay, 3 rational numbers. 3 rational numbers means that one is, what is the property? Associative property. Commutative property for 2 only there. Closure property for a plus b to only add. So now 3 rational numbers from this one is, what is the property? Associative property. Clear? Now which property? 3 rational numbers from this is associative property. Which of the following illustrates that inverse property for addition? Inverse property for addition. Additive inverse for plus symbol change into the minus, minus symbol change into the plus. Now see here 1 by 8 is the plus number. Here minus 1 by 8 is the opposite sign. Get it? The answer is 0. This is correct answer. 1 by 8 minus 1 by 8 minus 1 by 8 is equal to 0. Here see plus symbol. Plus only they are coming wrong. Here 0 and all they are not come. Minus 0 and all they are not come. So must want to come in additive inverse for addition for inverse. So plus symbol change into the minus symbol. 1 by 8 is before is any symbol also that not have what symbol? Plus symbol. 1 by 8 opposite sign is minus 1 by 8. You get it? The answer is 0. This is the correct answer. Next 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4 into 1 by 4. 1 by 4. Illustrate that multiplications is distributive over distributive. Multiplication is there given. So multiplication is there given. Next symbol is what symbol? Minus. So this is a addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, subtraction. So question from addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Which one is correct now? Minus symbol, subtraction. Subtraction is the correct answer. Clear?